Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the theme in the Lime application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the button at the top of the page on the left. Then click on the settings button and click on the display theme button. And here you can see the two options, so you can either choose dark or light mode. And if you choose one, just go back and your theme is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.